Guys, Daniel Calcara here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about software for storing and retrieving. We're going to go in depth about the internet browser, how it's used to access machine-independent data stores, and how we use search engines to access data. Finally, we are going to compare different file formats for storing replicate data and talk about storage software features that help users store and retrieve data. With all that said, let's get started with the video. The internet browser. The internet browser, as we all know, allows users to access data types such as images, text, numerical data, videos, and audio, all through links known as websites. Internet browsers and software applications such as Google Chrome, Safari, and Mozilla Firefox store data through websites which can be retrieved by online users. The internet can be used to access machine-independent data stores. A machine-independent data store is a central location for persistently storing and managing collections of data. Cloud storages like VMware, Firefox OS, and iCloud are all examples of machine-independent data stores that users can access on internet browsers. Users, for example, can access these machine-independent data stores using the internet browser and can then store and retrieve data types such as images, audio, videos, text files, and numerical text. Search engines. Let's talk about them. Search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing are used on internet browsers to discover and access specific websites. By entering your chosen text within a search engine, a list of websites related to your text will appear. By clicking on these, you will be able to access stored data. You can access varying amounts of data by using search engines as they contain websites with stored data. Examples: Wikipedia. Encryption and password protection. To safely store and retrieve data, it is important for users and participants to encrypt their data and use passwords for protection. What is encryption? Encryption is the best way to attain the security of personal data. Encryption, like a hidden code, encodes data which can only be accessed by users. The only way to retrieve this encrypted data is to decrypt it using specific tools and programs. Then again, you may not be able to retrieve the stored data depending how advanced the encryption is. Software used to store data such as Google Drive, OpenIO, and Starwind all utilize password or encryption methods to store data securely. Without encryption or password protection, users' personal data will be under the risk of compromisation. Security of stored data, whether stored centrally or distributed. The security of stored data, whether distributed or centralized, will always be an issue in regards to storing and retrieving. Because shared data is so easy to access, security measures such as password protection and encryption can help deplete the problem of shared data security. Because centralized data is unlike distributed data, the issues that occur do not need to be considered as a centralized database is not shared. To furthermore increase the security of your information, you can certainly use password and encryption methods to secure your data as an added precaution. So now we're going to compare different file formats for storing the same data, and we're also going to explain the different features and benefits. So quickly, what is a file format? A file format is a normal way that information and data is encoded for storage in a computer file. Different file formats used for storing the same data each have individual features and benefits. For example, the file format JPEG is a lossy compressed file format compared to PNG that is lossless. Because the PNG is compressed but has not lost any data/information, it doesn't lose its overall quality like a JPEG. This means you can store better quality images. When it comes to the comparison of two video file formats, MP4 and WAV or WAV, it ultimately comes down to which video file format can retain its original state but has better compression quality. Although WAV or WAV can store audio and video, MP4 has better video quality and compression, overall meaning you can store better quality videos. Use software features to secure stored data and information. As users, we can utilize specific software features to secure stored data and information. Software such as Google Drive and DataCore offer many features to users that helps them store and retrieve their data freely but securely. Features such as data protection and security means that users' data will be protected. Backups will act as a replication of your original files to secure important data. And finally, data management means that users will be able to organize data and information based on their own personal preference. That is important. So thank you guys for watching my video based on the subject today. Please continue to like the videos and look at the Den online course videos listed to learn all things about IPT. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.